Welcome friends. In previous tutorial we saw a gallery of selection tools. In this tutorial we will learn about gallery of drawing and type tools. Pen tool, add anchor point tool, delete anchor point tool, convert direction tool, type tool, type on a path tool, pencil tool, smooth tool, erase tool, line tool, rectangle frame tool, ellipse frame tool, polygon frame tool, rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool are consist in gallery of drawing and type tools. First of all, we will learn about pen tool. It is used for draw straight and curved paths. This is the example of pen tool. Here object is drawn by pen tool. Second, add anchor point tool. It is used for add anchor points to a path. This is the example of add anchor point tool where path of object select or add. Third one, delete anchor point tool. It is used for remove anchor points from a path. This is the example of delete anchor point tool where removes the some part of object. Convert direction point tool. It is used for convert corner points and smooth points. This is the example of convert direction point tool, which is convert the corner points and smooth points. Fifth one is type tool. It is used to create text frames and select text. This is the example of type tool. Select particular domain, then write text that you want. Sixth one is type on a path tool. It is used to create and edit type on paths. This is the example of type on a path tool where we can write or edit text on a path. Now open the InDesign software. Here we using trial version, so click on continue trial and select document and press OK. Select a pen tool, then after make object. This is the example of pen tool. Now select add anchor point tool. It is used for add anchor points to a path. Now select delete anchor point tool. Now select Convert Direction Point tool. It is used for convert corner points and smooth points. This is the example of Convert Direction Point tools. Now select Type tool. First of all, select particular domain. Then we can write. We can resize the font. This is the example of Type tools. Then select Type on a Path tool. Before that, we can draw a round circle. Then select Type on a Path tool. Then write it on the circle. This is the example of Type on a Path tool, where we can write and edit text on path. Thank you. In next tutorial we will learn about the another tools of drawing and type tools.